Legrand, hello again, Oscar. Uniform Delta Bravo, ready to taxi and ready to copy clearance if available.
Diamond Oscar Echo Uniform Delta Bravo, Legrand Radio, hello again, runway 31, wind 020 at 7, altimeter 3002, traffic inbound from the south, a King Air, estimating runway 31, about 5 minutes.
Runway 31, QNH 3002 and traffic is copied, Oscar Delta Bravo.
Roger, runway 31.
Small mistake from my side, it's not a QNH setting, it should be a altimeter setting.
Okay, taxi light is on, parking brake is released.
Pour paquet 600, la grande radio, Roger, appelez à Ongog.
Rappel Ongog, prépare 4600.
So, brakes working, taxi check, airspeed 0 horizon.
Inform Delta Bravo, la grande radio, clearance.
Uniform Delta Bravo, go.
TC clears Oscar Echo Uniform Delta Bravo to the London Airport via La Grande Airport. Yankee Kilo Quebec. Yankee Uniform Yankee. Victor 365. Yankee Yankee Bravo. Victor 332. Yankee Echo Echo. Revid. Yankee X-ray Uniform. Climb 1-2000 while in counter airspace and squawk 0675.
Clear to London Airport via Yankee Kilo Quebec, Yankee Uniform Yankee, Victor 365, Yankee Yankee Bravo, Victor 332, Yankee Echo Echo Revut, Yankee X-ray Victor Uniform 1-2000, squawking 0675, Oscar Delta Bravo.
Read back correct. Traffic is about to turn final, runway 31. Are you waiting for them to land before you take off?
Yeah, I'll need 5 minutes.
Roger. DA42-VI, la grande radio, contactez le centre de Montréal sur 132 décimal 1.
That was a clearance. Woo!
Bonne journée.
So, airspeed 0 horizon was level in turn, QNH 3002, indicating the same. Compass heading is also checked. Let's stay here, taxi light is off and the parking brake is set. Yankee Kilo Quebec, enter.
Now I checked that I had the correct flight plan in the FMS and that it was correct with the clearance he gave me.
Very good. Issue test is completed. Oscar Uniform Delta Bravo after the landing King Air, we're lining up runway 31.
Inform Delta Bravo, la grande radio, Roger.
Okay, King Air landed. Landing taxi, EP.2, transponder 0675 is set. Fuel pump 1, 2, stall hit fail is checked. Parking brake is released, flaps are up for departure, project is clear. Runway 31 is identified. Runway heading is checked and until the panel is checked. Time and takeoff power is next. We're waiting for the King Air to move. The last leg of this ferry, of this first Atlantic crossing. The traffic is from the runway. Oscar Uniform Delta Bravo is starting the takeoff roll, runway 31.
Inform Delta Bravo, la grande radio, Roger.
Okay, time, takeoff power. And here we go. Takeoff power is set. Engine instruments checked. And rotate. Positive rate. Brakes. And no chance for reland, gear up. So target speed 92 and starting the left turn. Flight plan direct, activate. So 1600 acceleration. Climb power, GPS screen, flight level change, 92, autopilot on. GPS screen, autopilot on, yaw damper, flight level change 92, altitude 1-2000 is selected, and we are off by La Grande. So, climb checklist. Gear is up. flaps are up, fuel pumps are off, climb power set, alternate air not required at the moment, the landing and taxi light is off.
From Delta Bravo, Lagon Radio, contact Montreal Central on 132.1. Have a good day.
Montreal Center on 132.1. Thank you for the service. See you next time, Oscar Bravo. Bye. Montreal Center, bonjour, Oscar. Uniform Delta Bravo passing 4,000 feet, climbing 12,000 inbound to Yankee Kilo, Quebec.
Diamond Oscar, Echo Uniform Delta Bravo, Montreal Center, bonjour, quoi cadent. Proceed direct Yankee, Uniform Yankee on course.
Ident and proceeding direct Yankee, Uniform Yankee, Oscar Bravo. Thank you.
Uniform Delta Bravo, roger, identified. Flight altimeter 3002.
3002, Oscar Bravo. So, it's getting brighter. Glasses on. Let's climb with 100 knots now. 100 is set. And no ice, very good. And I see some blue skies already. Now it's time to eat everything we got. And hoping for a nice arrival in London. That will be special, I tell you. Okay guys, see you later then.
Oscar Echo Uniform Delta Bravo, you're cleared direct to Yankee X-ray Uniform. That's the London VOR and then the airport after that.
Direct to Yankee X-ray Uniform and the airport after that. Thank you very much, Oscar Delta Bravo.
Good luck.
Uniform Delta Bravo, descend to 7,000.
7,000, Uniform Delta Bravo.
Uniform Delta Bravo, contact Toronto Center now on 135.3.
Center 1353, Oscar Delta Bravo. Toronto, good day, Oscar. Uniform Delta Bravo, passing 8,800, descending 7,000, and inbound London.
Uniform Delta Bravo, roger, altimeter setting at London 3012, information Romeo, expect RNAV runway 15.
3012, information Romeo is on board, and any chance started Alexi?
Affirmative, Uniform Delta Bravo, proceed direct to Alexi, keep your speed up for now, we're hoping to get you into the same gap in the show here that your company's going into ahead of you there, so keep your speed up and all advice.
Yeah, I'm giving all my ad.
Uniform Delta Bravo, thank you. Descend when ready, 4,000.
When ready, 4,000, Oscar Delta Bravo. 4,000 is set, and RNAV lit, Alexi, minimums 120, load. I already did the briefing, direct Alexi.
And the actual reason why he wanted me to keep high speed was because the Blue Angels, yeah, you heard right, the Blue Angels were waiting in London to perform their training flight for the London Air Show, and when they did that, they had to close the airspace and the airport, and I had to make sure to get in before they start.
So, I'm 5 minutes late.
Altimeter Hamilton is 010 Foxtrot, and
that's gonna be interesting.
Proceed direct to Logley.
So, we're gonna do a low drag approach, okay? Not a low drag, a V&E approach. So we go 1.5 miles, get down idle. So I don't want to go through this cloud. Oscar Delta Bravo, request 10 to the left to avoid.
Uniform Delta Bravo, I believe that was you, deviations left approved.
Deviations approved, Oscar Delta Bravo. Then we do that.
Romeo Uniform Mike, 59,500. Romeo Uniform Mike,
then we can go fast.
3012.
I did not expect that this will get so stressful. Haha. Oh, that's a big one.
Delta Alpha, I'm going to have to turn you out here one spin around, turn right heading 360.
Approaching 4,000. And we go nav mode again. Flight plan, Alexi, activate.
Uniform Delta Bravo, cleared RNAV runway 15 approach.
Cleared RNAV runway 15 approach, Oscar Delta Bravo. So then we arm this, we arm the approach, glide path, and the VNAV is armed, and select 3000. Come on, girl. You can do this.
Uniform Delta Bravo, contact London Tower, 11904, so long.
London Tower, 19-4. Have a good one, Oscar Bravo.
82.
Thank you. London Tower, hello, Oscar. Uniform Delta Bravo is passing 3,800, descending 3,000 and clear for approach.
Oscar Echo Uniform Delta Bravo, London Tower, runway 15, wind 1807, altimeter 3012. Keep the speed up best as you can. Please report hit lull.
We'll report it, lol, and I'll give you all I have, Oscar Bravo. So,
Monitor ground 21.
the glide path just popped up on final, and it lol, he wanted. Glide path is captured. Missed approach altitude 4,000 is set.
Uniform Delta Bravo Tower, are you going to the factory after landing as well?
That's correct.
Uniform Delta Bravo, roger, disregard the final call, wind 190 at 2 knots. The clear to land, runway 15, the long landing for the end is approved.
Clear to land, runway 15 and long landing approved, Oscar Delta Bravo. You see the speed, 180. 1.5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Now. Idle, get out.
Check gear.
3 green. Autopilot off.
Minimum.
Speed check, flaps approach. Speed check, flaps landing. Flaps landing. Gear down, rudder trim, exit. Now we're gonna do the long landing. They wanted me that. You see that? 180 to 90 knots in 1 mile. Nice.
And with this landing, I completed my first North Atlantic crossing as a pilot in command. And I could not be happier to have done this together with Martin and Steve. Thank you so much for all the support. I've learned so much on this trip.
They wanted a long landing, I give you the long landing.
To be honest, it could not have ended better than this.
Oh my god. Oh my god! The Blue Angels are standing there. Oh my god.
Bravo, exit at the end, and there should be a vehicle there to escort you into Foxtrot.
Exiting at the end and waiting for the car, Oscar Delta Bravo. Oh my gosh! The Blue Angels are standing there! Oh my god. Oh my god. I just have to take a picture here. Blue Angels, baby! Nobody's gonna believe me that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Holy shit. Guys, Atlantic crossed. Oh my god. Yeah! Ah!
We got in here just in time for the airspace to close, and Mickey was right behind us like clockwork. This was amazing to be a part of. Is that awesome or what? Is that awesome?
Did we just taxi by the Blue Angels?
Yes, we did.
Oh my god.
Couldn't have done that down to a minute. We just brought these airplanes across the planet. You guys are like machines. It was awesome to be a part of this, to see you guys pull that off. Down to the minute. Amazing. Wow. Hey, bro. Yeah, gotta shake hands.
180, 1 mile.
There you go.
It worked.
Congrats.
Okay.
Well done, sir. Well done. First crossing and ferry to Canada.
Oh my god.
But this is a nice reception, huh? Taxiing next to the
Blue Angels.
Yeah.
I was like freaking out. I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And then the Hornet now.
There it goes. It's gonna be loud.
What?
Right there. Well, who's ready for a beer? Yeah.
This guy.